कई रियासतों और खुसूसन हमसाया ममालिक को बंदरगाहों और जमीनी रास्तों के लिए राहदारी फराहम कर सकता है।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Your Excellency, my brother Abdullah Gul, President of the Republic of Turkey, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It gives me great pleasure to join you all on the 11th summit of the ECO. I wish to convey to you warm greetings from the people of Pakistan. I am grateful to the government of Turkey for the warm reception and generous hospitality extended to us in this beautiful and historic city. Istanbul symbolizes our rich and common culture, heritage. On behalf of Pakistan's delegation and on my own behalf, I wish to congratulate my brother, His Excellency Abdullah Gul, on assuming the chairmanship of the summit. I am confident that under his able guidance, the meeting will be a landmark success. I wish also to convey our deep appreciation to my brother, President of Iran, for his able stewardship for the ECO since the 10th summit in Tehran. Excellencies, Pakistan remains deeply committed to the aims and objectives of ECO. ECO brings us together to renew our partnership for comprehensive regional development and prosperity. Our region is blessed with enormous resources. We have vast human capital. We have huge natural resources, including hydrocarbons, minerals, agriculture technology. The ECO's represents our best hope to promote trade and economic linkage in our region. With the shared sense of destiny, we must pool resources to harness the potentials of the Asian century. We have the capacity to collectively address our needs and be our masters of our own destiny. Excellency, since the establishment of ECO has matured and progressed, Vision 2015, developed 5 years ago, is a pragmatic roadmap. Since then, we have achieved a lot. However, we still have a long way to go to exploit the true potentials of our region. Trans-regional development and economic integration is our core objective. We need to fully operationalize the functional mechanism of the ECO. This includes placing ECO trade agreements on fast track. Pakistan has already signed and ratified the ECO trade agreement. We have recently agreed with Turkey to operationalize this agreement bilaterally. We encourage other members who have not yet done so to become parts to this agreement. Free trade is central to regional economic integration. The ECO Trade Development Bank needs to be turned into a vibrant financial institution and a vehicle for project development. We need to work together to protect our economics from the volatility of international markets and the protectionist and discriminatory policies. In this context, our central banks and planning commissions have a central role. We need to harmonize standards, including customs. Excellencies, infrastructure and energy connectivity in our region should be one of our key goals. Trade is possible only if we have infrastructure, linkage, and integrated border arrangements for trade facilitation. One of the major achievements of ECO is that in more enforcement of the Transport Framework Agreement. Islamabad, Tehran, Istanbul train services and ECO truck caravan are commendable successes. Pakistan is well positioned to provide trade and communication corridors through our territory and ports to our friends and partners. We are ready to provide energy transport bridge and develop a win-win scenario. Iran-Pakistan gas pipeline and TAPI gas pipeline project should be seen in this context. development is our strategic priority. Excellencies, Afghanistan is an important country in the region. We have shared responsibility towards Afghanistan. Pakistan is committed to working closely with the ECO members, countries and international community for stability, peace and development in Afghanistan. Pakistan has been in the forefront of the ECO efforts of reconstruction of Afghanistan. Before concluding, I wish to make the following suggestion. To realize the dream of creating an ECO-free trade area, all members may operationalize ECO trade agreements. Infrastructure and energy connectivity should be our strategic priority. We may identify joint projects and trans-regional development. The heads of our central banks and planning departments may meet and suggest measures to protect our economies from global economic recessions and the volatility of international markets by suggesting innovative solutions like having a joint pool of currencies, maybe a concept of currencies with our own state banks and trade in commodities rather than play each other in dollars. We may attach priority attention to people-to-people contacts and establishing linkages between our universities, academia, think tanks and media organizations. We may collectively project and promote our common cultural heritage. I would like to reiterate Pakistan's commitment to the goals and objectives of the ACO. We wish every Turkey as the new chairman. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. May God be with you.